Streamline your workflows by mastering how to create documents for signatures in DocuSign, transforming your document management from tedious to triumphant. First, navigate to the DocuSign website and log into your account to access the platform. Once logged in, you'll find yourself at your dashboard to start preparing a document for signature. Click on the Send a Document button. This will open the Send a Document interface here. You have two main options for uploading your document. You can drag and drop your file directly into the designated area, or click Browse to locate and select your document from your computer. DocuSign will now upload your document. Once complete, you'll be taken to the next crucial step. This is where you'll prepare your document for signing. On the right-hand side, you'll see a panel filled with various signature fields. Simply click and drag the desired field, like signature or date signed, onto your document where you want your recipient to sign. You can add as many fields as needed. For example, if you have multiple signatories, you'll assign signature fields to each individual by selecting the correct recipient from the drop-down menu for each field. To add recipients, enter their email addresses in the Add Recipients section. You can also assign roles, such as signer or approver. Beyond signature fields, you can also add other elements like text boxes for recipients to fill in information, checkboxes for acknowledgements, or drop-downs for selections, all by dragging them from the same right-hand panel. DocuSign also allows you to customize the signing experience. You can set deadlines for signing, request a reason for declining a document, and even add a custom message for your recipients in the More Options or Signing Options section. Once all fields are placed and the experience is customized, click the Review and Send button. This final screen allows you to review all the details before sending. Click Send to finalize and send your document for electronic signature, initiating a professional and efficient workflow.